Hi there, YouTube. We're going to cover In Spite of Ourselves, recently covered by the Viagra Boys with Amy Taylor. Let me tune my guitar. Let me talk a little while I do it. This is, they're covering a song by Johnny Prine. He was a singer-songwriter who passed away this year in 2019, like many people. And this is, so they did a kind of tribute to him by covering his song. And I think his song, though, is kind of, playful. And so that's why they picked it. Starts out with a little E minor. This is an introduction. Goes for like maybe 20 seconds before the song begins. Then it plays. It slides up from the second fret to the fourth on the D string to play this, and then they play it with the G string. Hey, I might just do some little thing like that as an intro. I wouldn't probably do the full, 20, 30 seconds. At the end of the song, too, they do an outro that is like similar for like 30 seconds. So it adds like a minute to the song. All right, but when the song begins, it's in G. The chords in this are very beginner friendly. It's G, C, D. Maybe you can play D7 if you want to. Or, and then of course there's E minor. All right, let me do a verse, and that's the pattern this whole song follows. And then after I do it, I'll explain it. But it's a good song to hear chord changes. Because, if you learn enough songs, you don't have to think about like the rhythm or how many measures this. You just get it. You just hear it. And it's the same with chord changes. You just hear them. She don't like her it's running. She thinks crossing her legs is funny. She looks down her nose at money. She gets it on like the Easter bunny. She's my baby, I'm her honey. She's my baby, never gonna let her go. Alright, talk about the chords, and this follows kind of a 12-bar blues chord progression. So G is your 1 chord. C is your 4 chord. Quick change to C, then it goes back to the G. Then it goes D is your 5 chord. If you want to try to dress it up a little, never gonna let her go. You could play a D7. That's optional. If you don't want to do that, just play the D through that whole part. D7 would sound good. It's just like a triangle pointing that way on your first 3 frets. You don't know that, it's a good one to learn. E minor, and then it goes to E minor. Then Amy Taylor comes in. It ain't been late in the month of Sunday. wants to stick in my undies. He ain't too sharp, but he gets things done. Drinks beer like oxygen. He's my baby, I'm their honey. Never gonna let him go. Alright, so here's how that little part with the D7 would go. I made a mistake there, but I get it now. He's my baby, I'm his honey. He's my baby, never gonna let him go. Okay, so doesn't go to D7 until right at the end. That's where you would do it. I'm never gonna let him. And then go is E minor. Okay, so it's he's my baby, I'm his honey. He's my baby, never gonna let him go. All right, that's pretty much the whole song. And then again, as I said, at the end, they kind of do that E, and they get some kind of more of a funky beat going. And they do that thing where they, from the E minor, they do that little slide up to the 4th fret on the D string and play it with the. All right, but it's very, very nice cover, and you know, it is a humorous song. It was written as a humorous song, so it's a good choice for that group and Amy Taylor. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.